Yes, good morning. Let's go make coffee.
Look our big back windows.
We can see out.
We can see out.
And we can open them fully now.
Yeah. No ugly bike rack.
So we did dismantle a little bit of the stove install. So we can repaint the metal plate. So now sanding and then new layers of paint.
Olitteko te 10 minuuttia vankeudessa? 10 minuuttia vankeudessa.
First coat is on. I used little bit too much of the paint, but this is first coat that it forgives you. We are not surely professional painters, as you can see. But yeah, last time it was, I think, it quite good looking paint after 4 layers of white. And I'm gonna do the same and put the hard coat on. Hopefully it can last forever. Paint that can last 600 degrees, so I have to heat it to 200 degrees between the layers. Now we're gonna take the plate to the sauna and put it on the stove. Now we have to heat the paint to 200 degrees. That's there.
It's good to remove all these vents time to time because these get full of dog hair and dust and everything, so you need to deep clean your car from time to time. Okay, the weather is so horrible windy, I don't know if you can hear, but it's so nice to do the cleaning here because we can use the electricity and also we can lay all our crap outside. So we can do this also in a gas station, so parking lot, but then you kind of have to do the fast cleaning, so I'll show you the best part. Let's go. Ta-da! We can enjoy some cleaning day beverages. This wouldn't happen if we were parked in the parking lot because we would have to drive. So bonus!
Chimney is cleaned. So how much? Whoa. Doubled.
Holy shit.
So no graphite at all. Just normal salt. Is it salt or something called?
Yeah.
That amount of
Shot.
daily use for 2 months.
There we have a shotty situation.
We're gonna have to cut the cupboard door.
Now?
Yeah.
But salmon. The moment of truth.
It fits.
Yay.
Yeah, lots of things has been done today, and some of them fail, some of them succeed. For example, to the door beneath the stove we need different kind of hinges because it doesn't work with the hinges that it has. The plate is ongoing project. I just put the hard coat on and it'll be ready in a couple of hours. This is the final product that we made during the weekend in the summer cottage. We repainted the plate underneath the stove because we didn't use hard coat last time, and the paint was chipping away and it was really not that clean or beautiful. So now it's much more better. It doesn't look perfect, but it's enough that it's beautiful.